Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you really quick how you can rekey your deadbolt. So in order to do this, you're going to need the actual original key that actually opens up this lock. And then you're going to need your new set of keys that you want to use, and then your rekey tool, which is this little thing right here. So the first step is to make sure you look at your door lock and look at the keyhole. If you see this little hole right over here, that means you have a smart lock system. So the next thing you're going to do is take your key that came with the home and stick it in there. So stick it right in there, and you're gonna turn it to where the hole is now on top right there. While it's in that position, you wanna go ahead and get your smart key tool, and we're gonna insert the tip of this into that little slot. So you're just gonna push into it like that, and then take this out. So keep that inside there, and then you're gonna go ahead and get your new key, and stick this in here, just like so. Take that out, and then go ahead and turn it backwards and forwards. And so now this key works with this door lock. See the deadbolt coming out? And now the original one that it came with, which is this one right here, this one will not work with this deadbolt anymore. So I'll stick this original one in here. You can see it does not work. So, hope that video helps out. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.